Okay, this is either the greatest idea I've ever had or the worst, but I'm about to tile my laundry room, and I was able to remove everything from the laundry room except for this fridge. Wouldn't fit out the door without a lot of work. So I've strung it up with compression straps to the ceiling. Literally ripped the ceiling down because we're putting a new ceiling in, so it lets me have access to the joists. Where I've just put some bolts through just to be able to string this thing up. And I'm just gonna keep hoisting it up until I get it right up to the ceiling and give myself about 2 feet to work underneath of it. Okay, so you can only raise it so much with these compression straps till you have to support it and then re-tie those compression straps down. So this is what I've done in the midterm. Okay, this is a bit ridiculous, but now the fridge is jacked up right to the ceiling. Still actually have access to the freezer and the fridge. Now I can tile right under it and then put it down later. Okay, all the tiles in place. So the fridge is back down in place now, but it was a bit of a pain in the butt. I'm about to paint this weekend, and I still have to do a drop ceiling. To do it again, I would use a block and tackle so that I could properly lower the fridge, because with the ratchet straps, basically I had to release the ratchet straps and hold the fridge and lower it manually. Anyway, it worked.